Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. This video is about unboxing of Realme X2 and initial impressions. So, let's get started. Opening the box, we can see a white box which contains some warranty and mobile guide papers and transparent case for the mobile. The quality of the case seems to be okay, and that is fine to use until you get a good protective case for your mobile. After this, we can see the mobile in the box, but we'll keep the mobile aside and check other things in the box. Beneath the mobile, we can see a charger brick which is huge and Type-C cable for charging. Charging brick comes with 30-watt fast charging mechanism, and that's for 17K is awesome. The quality of the brick and cable is really good. Keeping all this aside, let's look at the mobile. Removing the covers on the mobile looks stunning in the green color. Front and back, it has a Gorilla Glass 5 protection which makes this mobile premium. Under the light, this mobile back looks stunning. While booting this device, let me tell you the specs of this mobile. This mobile comes with front and back Gorilla Glass 5 with Super AMOLED display which is of 6.4 inch in size, and it has 1080p resolution, Snapdragon 730G processor, 4000 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charger in the box, quad camera system which has 64 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle lens, 2 megapixel macro sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 32 megapixel front camera which is used for selfies. It comes with ColorOS 6 version on top of Android 9 Pie. Of course, you get a lot of bloatware in this OS and you can uninstall most of them. First thing which impresses me when I hold this device in my hands is the display which is of Super AMOLED. I love the screen on this device. It looks really good. Color calibration and the punchiness in the colors are really good and will excite a lot of members while seeing this screen. And the second thing is the feel on your hand when you hold this device naked. It oozes out the premium feel. When coming to the back of this device, it has quad camera system, and the pictures taken using those cameras looks pretty good for now. I need to check these cameras more to know how good they are. Check these pictures which are taken using these cameras.